Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this halo eye, perfect for those with hooded eyes. I went in with some eyelashes on the bottom, and that was inspired by tailormadejane here on YouTube. Like, it is so amazing, so I thought I would do that. And obviously your girl had to put some gloss on. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned, my loves. As usual, I'm going in with my soft ochre, and I've applied that all over my eyelid. I'm now going to take my face powder and I'm going to apply that just underneath my brow and into my crease. I'm taking this shade Plumage by MAC. It's this dark green shade, and I'm going to apply that just into my crease just there and a little bit higher, because you know us hooded eyes, we've got to bring the colour higher. So I'm going to apply it in the crease, in the inner and outer corner. Blending out that green now. Taking my soft ochre and some concealer, and I'm going to use this to cut the crease. I love the Prolongwear paint pot, but to cut creases it's so difficult because it's so dry, so I'll mix it in with some concealer. So how you want to do this, you want to look straight ahead at the mirror, and you want to mark where your, what's that black bit, your pupil? No, the coloured bit of your eye is, so that you can get the halo centered. So if I just look straight in the mirror, those two marks, don't know if you can see, that's where my halo is going to be. I'm always rapping. So after you've made your marks, you now want to mark where it's going to sit on your crease. So again, look straight ahead, and then just where your crease is, just put a mark just above it so that the halo can be seen when you open your eyes. This is for hooded eyes. So now you have your markings, you just want to go ahead and fill that in. To bring some of that green intensity back, I'm going to go around the halo with a brow brush by Real Techniques and just go above where I made the halo. So to fill in my halo, I'm using this beautiful shade called Steamy by MAC. It's this beautiful teal green. Oh my gosh, every time I wear it I get compliments. Going back in with that shade Plumage, and I'm just going to go back in on the inner and outer corner of my eye. Blend out this demarcation line so it's more of a transition than a demarcation. I'm taking this cheap synthetic brush. It's pointed at the end. Come on, work, 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 work. It's pointed at the end, but I find for me this brush works best when I'm trying to blend colours together, or colours like this in a halo situation. Lower lash line, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to line my bottom waterline with this. Then underneath that, I'm going to use my soft ochre again, and I'm just going to place it underneath my lash line. green shade here from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm going to place that on top of the NYX Jumbo pencil. Again, and I'm going to pop that right underneath it. I put my foundation on, check out the link for that obviously. So what I'm doing now is I'm just using concealer to carve out that bottom eyeshadow. So what you want to do is you want to kind of make the width of the shadow big at first, and then you want to go back in and just reduce it to your liking, because if you go in firstly trying to get the width that you want, you may get it wrong. So it's better to go wider and then gradually reduce it to your liking. So that's all that I'm doing here. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. It's a first for me. This is very different. I mean, I like colour, but I don't usually put colour on my waterline or lashes underneath, but I am liking, so I probably will be doing a few more tutorials like this, or looks I should say. So yes, if you like, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.